As you see, it's a Lenovo X201. Now we're gonna remove the RAM and change it. We remove the battery like that. Remove the battery. Remove the SIM card if it's in, and then we go to this part. Remove this spares. Just remove it like that, and we see the RAMs here. As you see, there is two RAMs. This is one. It's a 2 GB DDR3 Kingston. We replace it. And here it's a 4 GB DDR3 RAM. 4 GB. If we wanna replace the RAM, we remove it from this part like that. We put another one like that, and we push. It's done. This RAM is not working now, so I will put my other RAM, the 2 GB RAM Kingston, in its place. To its place like that. This one also like that. This is the Lenovo, as I said, X201. Let's turn it around. You see, it's working. My Windows. It's working.